Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change language in 8-ball pool. To change the language in 8-ball pool, first of all launch the 8-ball pool app open on your device, and once it is opened up and you are in this home page logged into your account, go ahead and tap on your gear button at the bottom left corner. This will open up the settings menu where you need to scroll all the way down and find the language option under game options. Tap the change button right next to language and you will see a list of available languages on the display. Select the language you prefer and click on confirm. Right after you do that, the app will automatically switch to that selected language. Great! You've successfully changed the language in 8-ball pool in just a couple of steps. Now you can enjoy the game in your preferred language and have more personalized experience. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorials like this. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.